So last month I did a wash and go using two products by Meech Beauty, which is one of their gels as well as their foam and mousse to go on top. And honestly, this was one of the best wash and goes I have had within the past couple of years for sure. The shine, the definition, the moisture was there. It was this anti-humidity gel and this styling foam. And the results was great. The definition was long lasting. My hair was not dry, but it had a firm hold so that the curls would last. But the only thing about it was I had to use two products to achieve this result. And of course, you all know whenever you have multiple products, it can prolong the styling time. So in today's video, we are going to see, can this wash and go really do its job if we only use the mousse, okay? That is what we're doing here today. I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and of course we are going to be working in sections. By the way, with using my Turby Twisty, it literally soaks up all of the water out of my hair, but no worries. We are going to be adding that water right back after we section off our hair. So for today, I believe I'm going in with about 6 sections, and then I am going to drench each section with water before applying the mousse. And of course, we are going to be working in smaller sections, okay? And of course, you want to detangle before adding any products to your hair. This is with wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, you name it, okay? You need to detangle your hair. I am rubbing that product in between the palms of my hands just so that when I grab each strand of my hair, I am going to be applying products. And as you all can see right now, my hair is clumping. I can see that the product is giving my hair just a little bit of shine and definition, but I'm still kind of waiting it out to see if my hair is going to get the definition that it needs. One thing about this product is that after you apply it to your hair and you just let it sit up there, it starts defining even more on its own without you even like raking the product through. But I am still going ahead, even though a part of me is telling me that, girl, you know that gel is like the gel to be using for your wash and goes. I'm doing extra stuff, y'all. I'm using this detangling comb that can attach to your hand just to go ahead and separate the curls to get them clumping before going in with the mousse. But for this video, we just gonna have to wait to the end to see how it's gonna turn out. And if you were wondering, I do shingle a bit when doing my wash and goes, especially when I get to the crown of my head, which is a little bit more kinky curly in the crown. I like to shingle just to make sure that I am separating the curls, but to also make sure it's not going to be a matted mess in the middle of my head. That is one of the main reasons why I do shingle. Once you get to the front of your head, I promise you're going to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Things are just going to go by way more quick because you actually get to see exactly what you're doing. I am not switching up my process with this. I am drenching my hair with water. I am detangling that section either with a detangling brush or with that detangling comb padded thing that's a circle that you can attach to your hand, which I think is also called a brush. But I am not skipping on the detangling. I'm not skipping out on the product. I am literally applying it and separating. And as you all can see in the back, the curls are definitely curling in the back. It looks definitely defined, but the only thing is like, is it gonna last, right? Like, is it gonna have enough hold to last? I guess we'll find out shortly. I went ahead and did that last section off camera. Here's what my hair is looking like once I have applied all of that foam mousse to my hair. As you all can see, my curls are defined. I can see it glistening a bit. It looks moisturized. I see the defined curls, but after sitting up under the dryer, this is what it looks like. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not for sure if this is this new hair dryer that I got that just likes to blow my hair every which way. But I don't know, I'm gonna post a video when I did this the last time with this foam mousse so that you all can compare. But comparatively to this video that you all saw last month, hands down, that gel definitely makes a difference. But I did not let this wash and go to waste. I did my hair in a high puff and it was popping all day, okay? As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And let's chat it up to see, do we actually need this gel? My answer is yes.